I want to take time, clean in here, paper on the steps. Here. Chris, come up for a second. Do you guys run a T-stat already, or is this going to be the T-stat?
The T-stat's right there. I'm just extending it.
And you're going to just put it here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. If you say you're working here, I want him to take this up, vacuum, put the plywood down. Then he could do here. These boxes here, this box, that box, just put them in the corner. And these boxes here, they stay here. Now the electrician, he's going to be working here. So your last thing I want you to do is vac. Maybe you don't have to pick up the tie vac. If you see there's no garbage under the tie vac, then leave it, just vacuum. Because you see what I'm afraid of? You see here, look? See, the garbage go underneath and then it scratches the floor.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes.